WX7 CYS, stand by.
KY4 FUN and 7GT online.
WX7 CYS, KK4 YAJ. Got nickel flag tail at my location as well. It's pretty heavy.
KK4 YAJ. Copy nickel hail. And what is your location there, sir?
On the corner of Sabre and Nebraska on Warren Air Force Base.
WX7 CYS, WY7KY.
WY7KY, WX7CYS. Go ahead, Tom.
Roger, position change. I'm going to be at the corner of Beckel and Reese Road. Watching it's getting a little close, so I'm going to go over there and watch it from there.
Okay, copy that you're going to be moving to Beckel Road and Reese Road, and going to watch the storm there.
Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on them.
WY7CYS, make that a correction to golf ball size hail now.
No hail, we had some light rain, and that was the exit.
W7JS at FE Warren, we got golf ball size hail as well.
Lots of these clouds over the south end of this storm.
Copy, both stations have golf ball size hail. WX7CYS.
Yep, they confirmed.
7JS, go ahead.
CYS.
Yeah, we got to increase the size of the hail. We're about baseball size hail now. And your location? FE Warren Air Force Base, the W7JS.
WY7CYS, N7WMR.
N7WMR, go ahead.
Yeah, I got baseball size hail here as well.
N7CST.
7CYS. W7JS. WX7CYS. W7JS, go ahead. Hey, how long did your golf ball size hail last out there? And was it on the west side of the base or the east side of the base? Copy, we're located on the east side of the base, and it lasted approximately, we had golf ball size hail that progressively got bigger to about baseball size hail. Everything happened about a matter of 5 minutes. Now it's clear, and blue skies. KC7SNO repeater. Okay, that's what they were wanting to know. Thank you, Jeremy.